Hello student, in this video I am going to start the explanation of osmosis. Okay, so what is osmosis? Before that we should know how the plants get water. We simply know that roots are the structure which are present in plants which absorb water from the surrounding soil. Okay, so student, like this, water molecules are present inside the soil and they get absorbed by the root of the plant. Okay, and then this root absorb the water molecules and send it to the other parts of the plant, or you can say the upward part of the plant or aerial part of the plant. So the process by which these roots absorb water molecules from the soil is known as osmosis. So osmosis is a process by which root absorbs water from the soil. So by zooming this process we can see. So student, in this process root hairs absorb water from the surrounding soil, because here in the surrounding soil the water is present in high concentration, means the amount of water is higher here in the soil compared to this root hair. So this root hair will automatically absorb the water from the surrounding and then send to the next cell, then this cell send to the next cell, then next to next, then this will reaches to the xylem. Xylem is a pipe-like structure. Okay, xylem is a pipe-like structure which is present in the stem of a plant or a tree, which conduct water from bottom to the upward direction up to the leaves, fruit, branches and other part of the plant. Okay, so this is the pathway by which water is absorbed and conducted into the plant. So simply the process by which the higher concentration of water is moving into the lower concentration inside the root hair, this process is known as osmosis. And student, as we know that plants are also made up of cells, or if we read the structure of plant cell, then there is present a semi-permeable membrane. Means semi-permeable membrane is a membrane which is present at the outer lining of a cell. Okay, so water is absorbed inside the soil through this semi-permeable membrane is known as osmosis. So simply the definition of osmosis will become, it is the movement of water from its higher concentration towards its lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. For example, in the root hair cells there are few amount of water molecule, whereas in the surrounding soil there is larger amount of water. So we can say in the surrounding soil the water is present in high concentration, whereas inside the root hair cell the water is present in low concentration, and thus these water molecule will move from soil inside the cell, okay, through this semi-permeable membrane, and thus this process is known as osmosis. So simply student, osmosis is a process by which water molecules get absorbed by the root hairs through the semi-permeable membrane from their high concentration towards their lower concentration. Alright. Then when this root hair absorbs the water through this osmosis process, it will send to the next cell, by the cell to cell osmosis. Okay, so by osmosis it will reaches up to the xylem, and then xylem is a pipe like structure which is present in the stem region. This xylem will conduct the water in the upward direction. All right, so students, simply osmosis is a type of diffusion. It is a kind of diffusion. Okay, but what kind of diffusion? It is a special kind of diffusion which takes place through a semi-permeable membrane, Okay, thank you, take care.